Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Genesis. Now guys, we know the last episode ended with Felicia announcing in front of Gabriel and her children that she is going to announce Ubongo as the new CEO. So this episode starts off with that. Gabriel usekamereni labo, he is pacing the room up and down. Ulwela ilifa nengindoda angry guys. So Felicia walks into the room and Gabriel's like, Felicia, ngempela, ibizwani lento ayenzile laphayana. Felicia's like, how? Ukhohliwe yini ukuthi wena awusangeni la ekamereni lethu? Gabriel's like, oh, ubone ukuthi ungihlaze phambi kwengane. Felicia's like, how? Mina bengazi ukuthi ngidinga ipermission yakho ukukhuluma nawe kwami futhi. Gabriel's like, oh, senza njalo manje. Felicia's like, yeah, especially when it comes to my kids. Gabriel then says, oh, yazi sengiyabona ukuthi uhloseni manje. And then Felicia's like, oh, okay, good then. Gabriel's like, uzama ukusebenzisa iGenesis ukulwa izimpi zomshado wethu. Felicia's like, into engiyenzayo lana, ngenza sure ukuthi isifiso sikaThabethe siyenzeka. Awukwazi lokho ke wena ngoba wena you know nothing about honoring izifiso zabantu. Gabriel then says ukuthi lalela ke, ayizuba khona leyo meeting yakusasa. Felicia's like, hawu ngempela? Gabriel's like, ngempela usho mina i-CEO ye-Genesis. Then Felicia then says, you mean the outgoing CEO? And then that scene just ends like that. Guys, one thing about Gabriel that we can be certain about, he's not going to take this lying down. He is going to fight to make sure he stays within that business. Anyway, next scene we see Unokuzana Nobuhle, she's outside, she's skipping. And Gabriel decides to come to her and he's like, how, here's your water bottle. And then she's like, yes, I was wondering where did I leave the water bottle? You can see she's not fine, but one thing about Unombuhle, she is the one sibling, the grown sibling that really gets along and is on Gabriel's side. So anyway, Gabriel's like, hey, ngiyabona ukuthi awukho right. And then Uhlehla then says, hey, vele, how am I going to be fine? Like when I know Ma, you're not okay, something's going on, no one wants to talk, Gabriel then says, don't worry. Even this whole thing of your mother telling you ukuthi ubize umhlangano, your mother is just being dramatic by calling a board meeting. And I hope when I know Butwako, you don't get involved in all of this. So Uhle says she's confused. She's like, oh, so uzamuguti, umhlangano. And then Gabriel's like, do this for your family and your mother foot. Don't call umhlangano. It's not a good idea. What, like we can't let the public know about our private business. You can see she's a bit confused because why would her mother instruct her to call a meeting and now Babu Ake is telling her she shouldn't call a meeting. But anyway, he hugs her and he's like, Lalela, everything is ohamba kahle, kuzodlula lokhu. And if we stand strong as umndeni, like everything's going to be fine, I promise you. Then the scene just ends like that. Gabriel is manipulating Hlehla because he knows that Hlehla loves him and sees him as a father. It's just going to be sad that I feel like Hlehla is going to really be playing Gabriel's pet and choose Gabriel over her mother and her family. Anyway, next scene, Umaruna, she's at her house, at her mother's house, busy sitting there, and Wendy walks into the lounge. So then Wendy is like, how, Maruna, why do you look down? Kanti meeting yakho no Felicia, ayihambanga kahle. Maruna's like, no, it didn't go well. Felicia doesn't think ukuthi mina I'm a good wife, or I could be a good potential wife for her son. Wendy's like, how, Maruna, kodwa nawe? Which Mamazala has ever loved or has ever thought ukuthi any girl is good enough for her son? It's normal. Like Felicia doesn't have anything against you. It's normal. Maruna's like, yeah, but when I spoke to her, she was taking it as if I was trying to blackmail her. And I was not trying to blackmail her. I really just thought she also has a lot to lose by letting Ubongo know about the secret. And is like, listen, Maruna, don't worry about Felicia. All that matters is that Ubongo loves you. That's all that matters. Into mangazayo guys is that Uwendi does things in Akabangi. Last week she was the one pushing for this secret to come out. Now here she is busy acting as if she's not the one who put everyone in this awkward mess. Anyway, Maruna goes on to say, yes, Ma, I'm thinking of quitting. My life is a mess. It's always problems back to back. Now I'm done with music. I'm done with the music industry. And please don't try and force me or convince me like I'm quitting. Maruna just gets up and walks off like that. Shame, guys. You know what's the thing? I don't know what type of mother she is because I don't remember not even once where she hugged Umaruna. I'm like, I don't know. She treats Umaruna like an egg, but an egg that she knows she's benefiting from. She doesn't show her any emotional love. And I'm just like, Wendy's just only worried about Imani, you guys. And I'm like, if she's worried about Imani, then why didn't she manipulate Gabriel to give her some sort of money for this secret than treating her daughters like this? Anyway, we see Ubongo and Nobuhle. They are sitting. Ubongo is eating there while Nobuhle is sipping on some juice. So Nobuhle says to Ubongo, yo, hayi izolo bokukuningi nje. And then Ubongo was like, hey, hayi bokushubile bokukuningi kakhulu. Kodwa-ke ngoba umawethu loyana and siyamthemba, I'm sure she knows what she's doing. Unobuhle then says, are you sure? Yazi mina ngizizwe ngathi mina nawe neGenesis singamathoyisi kama nobaba kule drama yabo. As she's speaking like that, Felicia walks in. And Felicia walks in, she's like, what time meeting? What time is the meeting? Angikhumbuli ngithola meeting request. Nobuhle then says ukuthi ma angizange ngiyibize meeting. And then Felicia's like, uthini? Nobuhle is like, I mean, abang ukuthi yi-good idea ukuthi sibize umhlangano ma. And then Felicia's like, Nobuhle is like, ma angibizanga. Then Felicia's like, so when uyispy sika Gabriel, he? Nobuhle is like, ma angifuni ukuzifaka between wena nobaba. Felicia then says to uNobuhle, ukuthi ungawubizi nomhlangano kuyangicacela ukuthi wena usuchize ama-sides already. Okokuqala, lento is between Ubongo and the Tabete legacy. So why are you ngenaring it? Unobuhle then says ukuthi wena owaletha uGabriel kulendlu wasitshela ukuthi uzoba ubaba wethu. Bongo then says Hlehle like, just stop it. And then Hlehle's like, no Bongo, shuthi Gabriel ungubaba wethu mokushuma. And then meka angathandi, he's no longer our father. Felicia's like, you know what, yekele, ngizozibizela ngokwami lo mhlangano. She gets up and that scene ends. Then next scene, we see Felicia, she's in a bedroom, you guys, going through the most when Uausi is the lady that works there, she walks in. So Aussie's like, ma'am, kukhona into engakutholela yona. Felicia's like, umshado wami usudungekile. Aussie's like, no, bengicela ungakhulumi kanjalo. Felicia's like, uyabona uGabriel uyiphutha elikhulu kunawo wonke that I've made la emhlabeni ngokuthi ngimlethe lana endlini kaThabethe. Aussie's like, kodwa uyamthanda nje lo muntu. Then Felicia's like, umthanda kanjani umuntu okwazi ukumithisa omunye umuntu ngaphandle and then ayisihle yonke leyo nto he? Ingane ingumuntu ephelele. Umfihla kanjani umuntu he? Kanjani? Aussie then says, yes ma'am, you have a beautiful life, unempilo enhle, unekusasa eliqhakazile, you are successful, unengane ezinhle. That's what the devil is trying to destroy. We can't allow him to do as he pleases. Yeah, I'm just like, Aussie, please don't convince Felicia Amanyala or to be doing things or to be going back on a decision because Gabriel is one cruel man. Next scene, girl, we see Ubongo. He goes to the Citibank family to see Maruna. When he enters the house, he's so happy to see Maruna. He kisses her. He hugs her. He's like, listen, babe, that song that we recorded the other day, it's going to be a hit track. We just need you to come into studio to just finish off a few vocals and we are set. Then he can see ukuthi Maruna, she's not excited about that. And he's like, how yini Maruna? Like, aren't you excited about this? Maruna's like, I'm done with music. I'm tired. How? Ubongo was so surprised. He's like, what? Is it the money? Like, what is it, Tanda Sam? Maruna's like, no, Axioni Mali. I'm just tired. Ubongo was like, I understand which you are going through grief. Pila. Nami, when I lost my father, I didn't want anything to do. But as Tanda Sam, I know you love singing and whatnot. Maruna's like, no, Bongo, I've always wanted to be a lawyer. So maybe I can go back to school, go and study law. I can become a lawyer. When you can become a music executive. But I just don't want to do music. I'm done with it. And he can see Uguti Ngempela. She doesn't need no convincing. The scene just ends like that. Next scene, we see Gabriel. He's in the room with his lastborn. I forgot the lastborn's the lastborn's name, and he's asking Ngucha, how aren't you going to practice here, Paula? You can see Shem, the child is not in the mood. And then Gabriel goes to the child and says, oh Lisa, I really am sorry about the passing of your best friend Upila. Then the child says, Uti, it's not about Upila. I heard you and mom arguing the other day. And then Gabriel's like, no, like, we always argue. It's nothing serious. And he's like, no, Dad, like that was a different type of arguing. You and mom are arguing. You and Bongo are arguing. Sheshe is keeping secrets from me. Like, are you and mom going to get a divorce? Gabriel's like, no, like I know things can be tense, but it's just normal stuff. Everything's going to be fine. Guys, when children are even able to see which things are not the same in Vini, I wish you be there. And they can see it's not the normal type of abana. It's on a different level. Next thing we see Ubongo, he's practicing keyboard there, but you can see Uguchi's a bit frustrated. And then Felicia walks in and she's like, how Bongo, what's wrong? Bongo's like, no, manga, right? Felicia's like, how I can tell when you're not fine. Bongo's like, okay, fine, Maruna wants to leave music. She says she wants to go and study law. Felicia pauses. And she's like, that could be a good move, yes. She's finding a different stream of income or a different way of making income. Your Ubongo gets so irritated. He's like, like, how could you say that we need her? She's the star of Genesis Records and in. Then Felicia's like, mdanam, how uyazi ukuthi mina ngimsupporta kanjani umuntu that wants to further their studies. So I support that. And then Ubongo's like, but no, like, she loves music. She can't just give up on music like that. Felicia just walks out on him like that. But it did look like Felicia was a bit worried when she heard Ubongo saying that Umaruna wants to leave, because remember, she is their biggest artist. So imagine her leaving. That means which Genesis is going to lose a chunk of their income as well. Ishmael no Fistos, guys, it's the day where they need to meet up. No Gabriel at Genesis Records. So they get to the place. When they get to the receptionist, they're like, hi, we're here to see Mr. Kikaba. Then the receptionist is like, Nizoti Nugien. And then they tell her, we have a meeting with him at 2 p.m. You know what she does, guys? She's like, no, Kata. She calls the security guys. She's like, I'm a paragelau. The security guard just takes them out like that. I'm just like, imagine this receptionist. And guess who's playing the receptionist role, guys? Who's Lee from the Real Housewives of Durban. I was just like, really? We need our boy Ishmael to get his breakthrough. How is he going to get his breakthrough when each and every weapon that is fashioned against him is prospering, guys? Yeah. Anyway, last scene, we see Felicia Ngempela. She did set up that board meeting, you guys. So we see her getting into the board room. And she's like, I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting. As you guys know, that this company, Genesis Records, was founded by me and my late husband. And the reason why we founded this company is because we wanted to heal people and to speak to people through our music. And that vision still stands today. And I believe that each and every one of you that sits here, you are here because you bought into the vision that the late Mr. Tabete had. Now, in saying that, I'm going to appoint Ubongo, my son, as the new CEO, as his father's wishes. Now, I know some of you might not agree with that, but all I'm going to say is that if you don't agree with that, you are as good as an enemy. And one thing about the Thabet is we don't deal lightly with enemies. So all I'm going to ask you is that you need to support Ubongo the way you have supported Gabrielle as the new CEO. So it's confirmed he is the new CEO, and she tells them, Uguchi, there by that CEO room, make sure you change the name because Bongo is the new CEO. She thanks them, she gets up, she walks out. Guys, and no one had anything to say. They listened to her. I have a feeling, Uguchi, Felicia has always been a strong woman, and I feel like she was giving up some sort of power to Gabriel so he can feel like in daughter. But now that Gabriel double crossed her like that, listen, she is standing on business, you guys, and I really hope she does not fold. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.